Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's a well-written article on the Kawasaki Ninja 400 that balances information and excitement for readers. Kawasaki Ninja 400, a perfect blend of power, precision, and style. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 stands as a testament to the brand's legendary sport bike lineage. Designed to thrill both beginners and seasoned riders, the Ninja 400 brings together stunning design, responsive handling, and just the right amount of power to conquer city streets and open highways. Performance that excites. At the heart of the Ninja 400 is a 399cc parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and linear power. With 48 horsepower and a lightweight frame, the Ninja 400 offers brisk acceleration, a thrilling top end, and incredible maneuverability. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or gliding through city traffic, this bike responds with precision and confidence. Lightweight rider-friendly. One of the Ninja 400's most appealing qualities is its lightweight chassis. Tipping the scales at just around 168 kilograms, but it's easy to control and highly forgiving, perfect for new riders learning the ropes. Yet, its sharp steering and agile nature make it just as rewarding for experienced motorcyclists. Aggressive styling. Inspired by its bigger siblings like the Ninja's ZX6R and ZX10R, the Ninja 400 boasts an aggressive and aerodynamic design. From its twin LED headlights to the sharp fairing lines, it looks every bit the part of a serious sport bike. It's available in several exciting color schemes, including Kawasaki's iconic lime green and bold black-red combos. Comfort meets control. Despite its sporty posture, the Ninja 400 is surprisingly comfortable. The ergonomic seat height, 785mm, upright handlebars, and refined suspension setup offer a ride that's both spirited and easy on the body, even during longer journeys. Advanced features. Assist and slipper clutch, reduces clutch lever effort and prevents wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. Digital instrumentation, clear and modern LCD display provides all essential information. ABS option, enhances safety and confidence in all conditions. Why choose the Ninja 400? Ideal for beginners and intermediate riders. Sport bike looks with real-world usability. Low maintenance and excellent reliability. Offers one of the best power-to-weight ratios in its class. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is more than just an entry-level sport bike, it's a gateway into the world of performance motorcycling. With its exhilarating engine, rider-friendly features, and aggressive design, it delivers a premium riding experience at a reasonable price. Whether you're starting your riding journey or looking for a dependable sport bike, the Ninja 400 is a machine that promises both excitement and value. Would you like this article tailored for a blog, YouTube video script, or sales brochure?